Namaste, friends. The thing which is the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world, that is education. Today, I take a great opportunity to speak on what really education is. Education is a progressive discovery of our own ignorance. We have a common perspective that education is only studying, doing job, marrying, bringing up family, and taking care of our kids. But this is not at all life and education. The real education is that prepares you for the life. It makes you learn, cultivate, and develop the healthy values of life. The real education must make you competent enough to cross the obstacles, hardships, and hurdles of life. It is a journey from converting the human being into being human. Unless the education makes you a good human being, it is of no use. The real education not only imparts you knowledge, but the wisdom too. It is a holistic one which not only develops and takes care of our body, but mind, heart, and soul too. It leads to total happiness, health, peace, and contentment in life. Dear friends, the ideal education is not just about academics, and its purpose is not to pass school and enter into a university to get a degree. Real education teaches sensibility and problem solving during stressful situations. It enables us a sense of humanity and gratitude. For example, an educated man hates manual work. The person who can't respect others as he can't be called really educated. We should realize that the work of a professor is not more important than that of a farmer. If sweepers do not sweep, we would get terrible diseases. Real education makes us to do a job suited to our brain and ability and realize that all jobs are necessary to society. Education that teaches the dignity of labor is a real education. Learning can't be simply equated to a mark, grade, degree, or job. It is a lifelong process. Getting a good education and qualification is just a key to enter society, and it doesn't ensure success in one's life. To be successful, one must experience the real world. Hence, real education is about life skills more than academics. True education is not only informative but also transformative, and this education will make you more of an individual and bring the best in you to its flowering. True education is a bridge between the potentiality and the actuality. Education which only prepares you to get a good job, a good earning, is not real education. Maybe it can give you a better standard of living, but the better standard of living is not a better standard of life. They are not synonymous. Real education should prepare you to be yourself. Right education will teach you how to be yourself, authentically yourself. You are unique. There is nobody like you, has never been, will never be. This is a great respect that God has showered on you. This is your glory that you are unique. Never ever become imitative and become carbon copies. Imitation destroys your original face. The word education has two meanings. Both are beautiful. One meaning is very well known, although not practiced at all. That is, to draw something out of you, to make your potential actual, like you draw water from a well. I would like to say that real education will be to bring out what is hidden in you, what God has put in you as a treasure, to discover it, to reveal it, to make you luminous. Ultimately, education is to bring you from darkness to light.
Dear friends, true education creates a man and society which will be healthy, youthful, loving, and overflowing with joy and ready to share with anyone. Because no one is stranger on earth. The whole earth is one family. Have a great day. Thank you.